Okay. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Amaya channel. Abhirami is not there. She'll join soon, beta. Just send in the group one message that class started. Fine. So now we will start real numbers. As we know, session first real number class is going on. Okay. So first, before starting real numbers, what I'll do is we will quickly start concept of numbers. See, concept of number is very, very important. You must know what is a natural number, what is a whole number, what is an integer, what is real number. Because beta, once we will start this real number concept, all these numbers will come again and again. So at that time, I want you to answer in a very particular, in a very perfect way. So that's why I started with beginning. I'm starting with the beginning. Okay, fine. Abhirami joined right now. Fine. So let's start. Natural numbers. So which numbers are exactly called as natural numbers? Those numbers which start with 1 will be exactly called as natural numbers. So if I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, Janani started giving answer. Kavya is telling, B Kavya is telling, ma'am, the number which is starting from 1 to positive infinity is called as natural number. Very good, fantabulous. You started with a bang. Super, both of you, Janani and Kavya. So those numbers which starts with 1 go to positive infinity will be called as natural number. Now next, can anybody tell me what is a whole number? Please, fast. Very good. Akshay is telling whole number starts with 0 and it is going to positive infinity. V Kavya, Kaushika, sorry. Okay, Yaini and Tawfiq all are saying that Kaushika. Okay, Kaushika, Kavya all are telling the number which starts with 0 to positive infinity is exactly considered as whole number. So whole number will be starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till positive infinity will be called as whole number. Very good. Well done. Hemlata is telling the number which starts from 0. Awesome, beta. Super performance. Then integer, because I know you all are knowing all these things. So we will start from that some revision part we will do and we will start. Okay, Janani is telling negative. V Kavya is telling starting with negative number. Akshaya is telling negative and positive. Negative infinity plus whole number. That is something different. I got very sudden today, right? Ajay minus 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 means those numbers which is okay. Kaushika is telling, Kaushika, Shri is telling minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Well done, all of you. Very good, very good. So I think your chats are non-stop and it is exactly giving me a type of energy that, Auntie, I know everything. Super. So beta, those numbers which starts with minus infinity, it will go to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, till positive infinity. These numbers are called as integers. So till integers, everyone can answer. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is a real number? Very nice, Akshaya, Rashri. You're telling rational plus irrational numbers are real numbers. Kavya is telling set of rational, irrational numbers are real. Kritika is telling rational, irrational, rational plus irrational. Yaini is also telling rational, irrational. Kavya, both rational, irrational numbers are real numbers. Okay, yes, Kavya, both are telling the answer. Yaini is telling the answer. Awesome, awesome, super performance, super fantabulous work. So exactly you are knowing what is a real number. Okay, one question, and I know you will be confused. Is it a rational number or irrational, or is it some other number? Quick. Rational, irrational, or some other number? I really asked a very tough question, dear, this time. It's not irrational number. It's not at all irrational. Beta, Mustafa, Kavya, S. Kavya, Kritika, you know what? This is not real also. Yes, Ajay, it is imaginary. Fantabulous work. Ajay is telling it is iota. Super. This is what I was wanting. See, I know I just asked a question beyond your age, but I really wanted to know how many of you at least know something about it. Okay, I hope Akshay is there with me. Everyone is there with me. None of you left the group. Any internet problem? No problem now. Fine. So all my children are exactly ready, because square root of negative number, Arif, well done. Square root of negative number is not real. Square root of negative number is not real. It is what? It is also called, it comes in mathematics, but it is exactly a complex number. It is not a real number. Real number and complex number, they both are enemies. Real number, those number which can be defined, will come under real number. Complex numbers are those numbers which are imaginary. Complex numbers are those numbers which are imaginary. That is very good. I think Sudarshan Madhav. Sudarshan, your name is Sudarshan only, na? Fine. Hemlata is raising hand. So I am explaining one more time. Yes, beta. Those numbers which will not be rational, not be irrational, it is exactly coming under a different field of mathematics, is called as a complex number. Now, I hope my children understood now. Those numbers which are not natural, which are not whole, not integer, not real, it will be called as a complex number. It is not rational, irrational, nothing beta. Okay, so that will be called as complex. So complex and real, they both are separated, they both are not same. So if I will say that root 3, then you will say, ma'am, auntie, this is very easy. It is root 3. Root 3 is a real number. It is irrational, it is real. It is irrational, it is real. It is irrational, it is real. That means it is irrational also, and irrational number comes under real section. Very nicely, Kavya.
என்னது ஆமா அது கம்ப்யூட்டர்ல வர மாட்டேங்குது சரியா
Madhav Sudarshan, yes, Sudarshan Madhav, very good. You are answering the question. Super, very good. So this is what I want you to have, this tough fight. Give a tough fight to all the children. Super, fantabulous work. So that means we have learned one thing, that real number consists of irrational number, rational number, integers, whole number, natural number. That means everything is inside real number, except which number? Which number real number does not come include? Which number real number does not include? Anyone answer? Which number real number does not include? Right now only I have told. Which number is enemy of real number? Anyone answered? Which number is enemy of rational real number? It is imaginary number. It is called as complex number. It is what number? It is imaginary number, and it is called as complex number. Okay, so complex number like root under -10 is a complex number, root under -5 is a complex number, root under -7 is a complex number. I'm not getting, are you all typing and sending the answers? Because I'm not getting your answers. So concept of numbers we have understood. Understood na beta? Real numbers, real number is exactly containing integers also, whole numbers also, natural numbers also, rational number also, and irrational number also. But which number it is not including? Can anybody tell me which number real number is not including? Which number real number is not including? I'm not getting your response, Peter. Send the answers in chat box.
And everyone are sending.
Very good. All are answering complex number. Super. Everyone is correct only. Shri Bhavni is also telling complex number. Everyone is giving the answer complex number, and complex number is the correct answer. Super. Now, beta, we will go towards another concept, and this time we will be knowing, we'll try to know about rational and irrational number. Quickly give me the concept of rational number. Let's see how much you know about complex rational number. Very good. Answers are very nice. Exactly. Akshay is telling decimal expansion in terminating recurring numbers that can be expressed in P by Q form, P by Q form, P by Q form. Kaushika Shri, Kavya, V Kavya, Yaini, Sudarshan, Ajay, V Kavya, Abhirami, S Kavya. Everyone is telling P by Q. Abhirami is telling Q is not equal to 0. Janani is telling P by Q will be written. Super. Very good. That means you know a very important. V Kavya is telling P by Q form where Q is not equal to. Hemlata is telling P by Q where Q is not equal to 0. Okay, very good, very good. I think I have read all your comments. Super, very good. So that means what, beta? A number in the form of P by Q where Q is not equal to 0 is called as rational number. Fine. I'm discussing rational number, beta, because rational number is there in your syllabus. For class 10th, rational number and irrational number is there. So specifically, I'm discussing about it. Very good, Janani, Dharani, all of them given irrational. Okay. Now listen to me. What is P and Q? What is P and Q? Let's see who can answer. What is P and Q? You are telling about a number in the form of P by Q. Very good. Akshay is telling integer. Correct answer. P and Q both are integers. P and Q both are integers. P and Q both are integers. Pavi, full answer, like you have non-stop written it. Integers, fantabulous. All of you, I think everyone. This is what is called a live class, where you are writing and you are expressing your point of view. Super. Back to back, all of you have written integer. Bang on. So P and Q are integer. Beta, 4 by 5 is integer? Is 4 by 5 integer? Tell me. Yes or no? 4 is an integer, 5 is an integer. Is 4 by 5 an integer? Okay, Akshay is telling no. Let me read from the topic. It's very interesting. V Kavya is telling no. Taufik is telling yes. Kamya is telling no. Yes. Sudarshan is telling yes. Mustafa is telling no. Dharani, yes. Janani, yes. Okay, 4 and 5 are integer. Ajay is telling. Kritika is telling yes. Kaushika is telling no. So those children who are telling no, Kamya is telling 4 by 5 is not an integer. Sudarshan is telling no, it is not an integer. Those who have given no, Hemlata is telling no. So those who have given 4 by 5 is not an integer is the correct answer. Well done. It is not an integer. Beta, 4 is an integer, 5 is an integer, but 4 by 5 is not an integer. 4 by 5 is a rational number. What is 4 by 5? 4 by 5 is a rational number. Again, I am telling what is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is a rational number. It is not an integer. Integer does not understand fraction. Very good. Abhiram is telling it's a rational number. Are you enjoying the class? This is what I want. Your answer should flow like anything. Okay. You should give answer at the point and you should express your point of view. Very good. Mustafa, super beta. Akshaya, Mustafa, everyone is answering. And you know what? Full India, full world is watching you, watching your performance. Okay. They will watch your performance sooner or later. So just give the perfect answer and enjoy a lot. Studying mathematics is not tough. It is fun. Class 10 syllabus is awesome and easiest one. Trust me, easiest one. So 4 by 5 is a fraction. It is a rational number. 4 by 5 is a fraction. It is a rational number. Now, what is the difference between rational number and irrational number? I hope my children heard my question. What is the difference between a rational number and an irrational number? The answer are flowing. I have to stop it. V Kavya, rational numbers are terminating. Ajay, terminating, non-terminating. Rashmi is telling which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Decimal expansion, non-terminating. Akshay is telling. Kritika is telling terminating, reoccurring. V Kavya is telling irrational numbers are non-terminating. And Janani is telling irrational numbers are repeating. Arya is telling rational numbers are terminating. Irrational numbers are non-terminating. Kritika is telling non-terminating, non-recurring. Kritika got the point. Non-terminating, non-reoccurring or non-repeating. That is the perfect definition of irrational number. I read everyone's answer, but something was missing in that. And Kritika got the nerve of it. Kritika, well done. God bless you, beta. This is what I want. Everyone can give the point, but the one which will be perfect, you have to listen to that point nicely. Well done, everyone. Super presentation, super answering skill. This batch will become the most memorable batch for me. Super. So I want to explain this. Why rational? What is the difference between rational number and irrational number? Fine. What is the difference between rational number and irrational number? I want to explain this one. So rational number. Okay, now rational number will be of two types. One type will be terminating and non-repeating. Second one will be non-terminating and repeating. Irrational number, so better rational number, two different type of rational numbers are there. In irrational number, non-terminating, non-repeating. So now I will explain this point also, why rational numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating. Let's clear some part of it so that I can explain. With examples, we will try to understand. Okay, I'll explain this part. V Kavya, I'll explain beta. I'll explain one more time. Today, where is Sharan? Last class, he gave a very good performance. Sharan present today. Okay, I'll repeat beta. V Kavya, I'll repeat the content one more time. Exactly, I was asking what is the difference. So I'll explain now. Okay, so if any number will be of the form 4 by 5. Oh, that's Kritika. Sorry. Sorry, but last class Kritika has given best performance. Today also she's answering the questions. I thought Sharan is missing. Okay, this happened. Sorry. So Kritika, well done. Now 4 by 5 beta. 4 by 5. That means what beta? 1 5 is there. Now I'll multiply in the denominator and numerator by 2. Now it will come 8 by 10. It will become 0.8. So I think after one digit, after decimal one digit, it's finished. It is not at all repeating. So it is what type? It is called as terminating, non-repeating. It is not repeated. It got terminated. Terminated means finished. Very good. Rashtra is telling it is terminating. Very good, beta. So can anybody tell me, is this terminating 3 by 5? Just say yes. If it is terminating, say yes. 3 by 25. Is 3 by 25? Yes, Akshay is telling yes, 3 by 25 is terminating. V Kavya is telling no. Okay, anyone else? At the time of learning, we can write yes or no, no problem, but we have to understand it. Okay, V Kavya, she is telling now, yes, auntie, it is true only. Yaini is telling yes, auntie. Sudarshan is telling yes. Kavya is telling yes. Kritika is telling yes, auntie. Janani is telling yes. So Rashri is telling yes. All the girls, you are rocking. Tawfiq is telling yes. Okay, Dharani is telling yes. Fantabulous work. Kamya is telling yes, auntie, 0.12. She has given answer also. Ajay is telling yes. Mustafa, yes. Abhiram is telling yes. Arif, where is Arif? I'm missing Arif. So, beta, look here. How we are telling it yes. Yes, it is terminating and non-repeating. Okay, Arif is telling yes. Very good, beta. So, how it is terminating? 525 can be written as 5 into 5. Beta, how many 5 is there down? 2, 5. So, what we will do? We will write 2, 2 here. So, now here also 2, here also 2. So, it is coming as 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 by 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 10 into 10 is 100. So it will come 0.12. Again, it is coming terminated. Yes, beta. Very good, Sudarshan. It is exactly the correct answer, that multiple of 2 or 5. Beta, your name is Sudarshan only. 0.12, Jenny. Correct answer. Okay, Sudarshan, very good, beta. So 0.12 is the correct answer, and that is exactly, beta, called as terminating and non-repeating. This is in your syllabus, your real number syllabus. They will ask this question. Okay, now I'm giving you some questions, but before that, we will finish this one and then. Okay, so that means what? One type is terminating and non-repeating. Terminating and non-repeating. I think you now know terminating and non-repeating. Can anybody answer my this question? Identify, is it terminating, non-repeating, or non-terminating and repeating? Quick. Terminating, non-repeating, non-reoccurring. Jenny is telling, Rashti is telling, non-terminating, repeating. V. Kavya is telling, terminating and non-repeating. Okay, let's see. Abhirami is telling terminating, smart move, everyone. Mustafa, terminating, non-repeating. Ajay, terminating, non-repeating. Abhirami, non-repeating. Yaini, terminating. Akshaya, 4 by, Akshaya, super. Terminating, non-repeating. Kamya is telling, S. Kavya, terminating, non-recurring. S. Kavya is telling, Janani is telling, non-terminating. Janani, you have changed the answer. Let me check. Beta, in 3 table, 12 and 15 both are coming. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 4 by 5 is there. Denominator 5 came. So once 5 came means what we are going to multiply it with? 2. 2. So it is coming 8 by 10 and the answer is 0.8. Understood, beta. So we have learned one very important thing. Listen to me. We have learned a very important thing, that in denominator, the number other than 3 and other than 2 and 5, it will be there. It should divide the numerator. So here 15 is there. 15 means 3 into 5, but 3 is dividing the numerator 12. So since 3 is dividing the numerator 12, that means what? It is again converting into 4 by 5. So denominator, after cancellation, denominator should have either 2 or 5. I repeat, denominator either should have 2 or 5. It will be exactly called as terminating and non-repeating. Very good. So as Kavya is telling, it is theorem 1.5. Awesome, beta. Very good. This is what the level of knowledge you all are having. I'm very thrilled to teach you. First maths class and you all are rocking. So definitely I'll take your level one more up. So I know now I have to, what method I have to apply to take you one step up. Fabulous work. Now, non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating and repeating. Give any number which is non-terminating and repeating. Let's see who can give the number. Think about it and give the number, beta. Odd number, V. Kavya is telling. Okay, next. 100 by 3, Ajay is telling. Kamya is telling 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is not a rational number, Kamya. It is an irrational number, beta. Akshaya 0.7777. Okay, she has not given fractions. She have just given a number which is non-terminating and repeating. Awesome, beta. Anyone else? You know what? You may be wrong, you may be right. Mustafa, 1211 Mustafa, that is irrational number. Be very careful. Hemlata 1/3, correct. V Kavya 6/11, super beta. V Kavya. P Janani 6/11. Okay. √2 Janani is irrational. Rashri 1/7, rational. Very good, correct. Ajay 100/10, 3, correct only. Ajay, it's not wrong. √4 Mustafa. Okay, no Janani, beta, listen to me. Children, listen to me very nicely. One thing is there that you are not wrong. First thing, you are in learning process. Learning mathematics is like learning a language. You sometimes what happens when I will go and learn Tamil, I will make some mistake, but that does not mean that I will stop learning Tamil. I will keep on trying. In the same way, when you will have problem, you will say an answer wrong. That means there is a scope of correcting it. Are you understanding it? So with me in this batch, either wrong or correct, give your answer. Explore yourself. Okay, explore yourself. Don't give up. That should be the mantra. Okay. So let us see, beta. You have given different answers, and all are perfect in their way. Where is S Kavya? Where is S Kavya? Okay. Some children, they are not answering. See, your parent will see the video. Either wrong or right. Give your point of view, beta. Don't think others are answering, so I should not. Beta, they are going to write board exam, and you are too going to write board exam. And from the beginning, fight. From the beginning, you keep a tough fight to all of them. Arif 7/9, hats off, beta. Everyone is correct. Super. So, beta, now we will see how this one is correct. How Abhirami 2/11. This is what you all are exploring. Very good. This is called learning. Learning is not taking out the book and mugging it and vomit in the paper, examination paper, and feeling I am the best. No. You may get 100 by mugging, but that knowledge will not be perfect and it will not be with you forever. But once you will explore or learn, you will be best forever. Now, beta, I'm going towards non-terminating. Whatever answers you have given, beta, I'm going to now explore it. So I'm taking one number randomly, 7/9. Now look here. 7 is there. I will put one decimal here. Now it became 70. So 9 9s are 81. 9 7s are 63. So 7 9s are 63. Okay. Then again 7 is coming. Yes or no? So it is coming again. Decimal 70. Again 7. 7 9s are 63. Again 7. So beta, it is coming as 0.7777777777. So that means what? 0.777777 is coming. That means we cannot stop this. So if we cannot stop this, it is called as non-terminating. And it is repeatedly coming. So it is coming repeating. So it will come 0.7 to the power bar. And now every one of you have given the perfect answer. You have learned by seeing each other and learned how to answer. Hats off to all of my children. Very good. Nice performance. Okay. So now I am giving you a number. You have to tell me, is it non-terminating and repeating? Okay. Without solving, say. Very good. Ajay is telling no. Kritika is telling non-terminating. Terminating, Kritika, check one time, beta. Even means no. Non-terminating, repeating. Rashri is telling, very good. I got your point, beta. V Kavya, non-terminating, correct. Yaini, no auntie. Kamya is telling non-terminating, correct. Abhirami, non-terminating. Janani, non-terminating. Non-terminating, repeating, reoccurring, non-terminating. Very good. Arif is telling non-terminating, repeating. I want shortcut and you all have given perfect answer. Kritika, yes, non-terminating, beta. Okay, no problem. No problem, beta. Tawfiq, non-terminating, repeating. Hey, this is the beauty of your class. You are answering awesomely. Super. Shri Bhavani, non-terminating. Correct, Shri Bhavani. Well done, beta. God bless you. So now, beta, look here. 2 ones are 2 and 11. So 1 by 11. So beta, what I told you, other than 2 and 5, other than 2 and 5, if any number will be there in the denominator, it will be non-terminating and repeating. It will be what? It will be non-terminating and repeating. You know what? You have finished 1 mark question of CBSE. Out of 80 marks, today you are finishing 1 mark. So your exam is after 1 year, and now you have finished 1 mark, very important question. Now you have understood now beta, terminating and non-repeating which part, and non-terminating and repeating is which part. Whenever fraction cannot be in the fraction, sorry, if denominator cannot be 2 or 5 or any other number, denominator will be here rather than 2 and 5, it will come as non-terminating and repeating. I don't want you to solve it also. Without solving, use your concept and say the answer that it is simple one, it is non-terminating and repeating. So this time without solving, okay, you have to say yes or no, better, because you are typing and it is taking time for you. So you say, my question is it non-terminating and repeating? I'm repeating my question. Is it non-terminating and repeating? And your question is 3 by 7. Abhirami, Arif, Kritika, they all are telling yes, yes. Wow, Akshaya, Raj, Sri Dharani, Sudarshan, everyone is telling yes. Ajay is telling yes. Shri Bhavani, V Kavya, S Kavya, Janani, Yaini, V S, both Kavya, Shri Vatsane. They are telling yes. S Kavya is telling yes. Hemlata is telling. Shri Bhavani is telling yes. Yes, the correct answer is yes only. It is non-terminating, not terminating. That is non-terminating and repeating. Because beta, after some numbers it will repeat. After some number, what it will do? It will repeat. So we have seen 2 different type of rational numbers. Any rational number of the form 2 by 5 or 11 by 8 or 4 by 16, all these numbers will be exactly first type. But second type, 2 and 5 will not be in the denominator. Okay. Now let us go towards irrational numbers. But irrational numbers will be what? Irrational numbers will be those numbers which will be non-terminating, non-repeating. Means it will not repeat also, it will not terminate also. Means lengthy numbers. Like if root under 3 is there, root under 3 means 1.732 and number will keep on coming. So that means all root values, root under 5, 2.51 something number will come, it will repeat. Root under 2, 1.414 and then number will repeat. The number will not repeat, number will continue. Sorry, number will continue, but it will not repeat. But here the numbers are repeating now. So 0.414141. So here 2 numbers are repeating. So we can put bar on it. But here we cannot put bar on it because the numbers are continuously coming, but it is not repeating itself. So since the number is continuously coming, it is called as non-terminating because it is continuously coming, but it is not repeating also. It is not repeating also. So that's why it is called as irrational number. Pi value is 22 by 7 beta. After 50,000 digits, it is repeating to some digits. So 22 by 7 is pi, and that is irrational number. So this question confusing irrational beta. Topic confusing irrational is like this. Very correct, Mustafa. Irrational number is 1.26242256. It is exactly irrational number. Very good. Root 3 is irrational number. So Tawfiq, I'm explaining one more time, beta. The number which will continuously come, but you cannot be able to put bar on it, means it is not repeating. Then it will be called as irrational number. Tawfiq, See, your friends are giving some examples to you to understand. Like Mustafa has given, Janani has given some answers so that you can understand 0.8937682098. Beta, it is not repeating. So, but it is continuously coming. Sudarshan, non-terminating, non-recurring. Super. Abhirami, non-terminating, non-repeating. Very good. Tawfiq understood, beta. This is what we have to work like a team. Well done. God bless you all. The way you have answered it today, I enjoyed your class thoroughly. Super. That means full year we will play. Are you enjoying the class? Tell me. We have less than 1 minute. Again, we will rejoin because I have to teach. Super, beta. Very good. Super, super. Okay, as Kavya is telling, yes, everyone is enjoying. So we are going to keep it till here. Again, be ready for rejoining.